everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards. There have been 2 personals for Jeffrey H. We've got 2 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbos. All right, Jeffrey, here we go. Again, no paper ship. Come on. We need a super fract. I don't know if we've pulled a super fractor yet out of a draft. Got a Benny Montgomery first chrome. Or, yeah, that's chrome. I was thinking refractor. We've got blue out of 150, Denzel Clark for the A's. And paper. We have Invicta, Henry Davis for the Pirates. Nice one there, Jeffrey. Genesis, Marcelo Meyer. Paper. We have purple first auto, Cody Morissette out of 250, Marlins. Nice color auto there. 191 out of 250. Got future franchise for the Pirates. Paper. We've got sky blue out of 499, Frank Montecato first. Nice little color match there with the Royals. Marcelo Meyer, Bowman Draft Night. Cops first refractor, Vera. Got Aqua to 199, a De Castro, Blue Jays. Marcelo Meyer, chrome first. Cooper Kenny. And next up, another Marlin first for outfielder Tanner Allen. Tanner Allen. Genesis, Chase Petty. Painter, Kellington. Paper. D-backs feature franchise, Lawler and Bliss. Muller. We have Julio Rodriguez, sky blue. Fractor. Chase Petty, Bowman Draft Night. And paper. All right, last stack here. Then we'll get into box number 2 for you, Jeffrey. Pack open. Yeah, no one in queue after Jeffrey, so get those orders in. LaytonSportsCards.com underneath the Personals tab. Genesis, Jackson Merrill. All right. Sky blue first, Draylon Lyle. Franchise futures, Montgomery and Jaden Hill. First refractor. We have a Lava out of 199, Ruben Ibarra for the Reds. And then auto pitcher for the Angels out of 499, a Kai Bush. Kai Bush. All right. Genesis Benny Montgomery. Nice. Connor Norby, first refractor. All right, and that will do it for your first box there, Jeffrey. Give me 1 second to put these over here. All right, box 2. Good luck. Empty box. We have Travis E up next with a Leaf Superlative. All right, Travis, thanks for your order. Got Sky Blue, Alec Thomas, McGreevy, Genesis, Jackson Wolf, first refractor, paper. Carson Williams, first chrome. Meyer and McDonough, franchise features. Vanellis, paper. Just got a Bowman box. Sounds good. Thanks for hopping in. Henry Davis, first chrome. We've got out of 250, Joe Mack for the Marlins first. And then we've got a Blue Wave out of 150, Pirates auto, Lonnie White Jr., outfielder. Lonnie White Jr. 123 out of 150. It's not up there, Doug. It is not up on the site yet. Oh, I heard a boom. Jason Dominguez, 4 of 5. Nice. Genesis, Jordan Lawler. Oh. All right. Let's keep up the colored autos here for Jeffrey. We've got purple to 250, Milcar Perez, Mariners. Fair enough. Paper. Henry Davis, draft night. Joe Mack, first refractor. Next one up, pitcher for the Indians, a Doug Nikotsi. First auto, Cleveland. Genesis, Harry Ford. Ryan Webb, first refractor. Paper. Hauser. Dante Williams, first refractor. Leron. A Christian Hernandez, sky blue. Nice prospect there. We've got Lava first, Brandon Boysier. Boysieri out of 199. Nice lava there. Love the lavas. Joe first refractor. Paper. Got sky blue, Nick Gonzalez, Pirates. Invicta, Henry Davis. There you go, Jeffrey. Gunnar Hoglund. Paper. And we've got first refractor out of 499 for the Rays, Ryan Spikes. Ryan Spikes. Manzardo first refractor. And last pack here for you, Jeffrey. Lawler Bowman draft. All right, and that will do it for you, Jeffrey. Congrats again. Thanks so much, and we'll get these right out to you.